everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're going to show you how to make some energy bites. This is a good snack in case you want something sugar free but still tastes good, and you want to lift your energy. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of raisins. If you have dates, you can go ahead and use it. Some almond nuts, I've been soaking that overnight. Some white sesame seed, black sesame seed. We have here chia seed. This is full of fiber, guys. We have pumpkin seed, we have shredded coconuts, sunflower seed, and some matcha powder. Now, if is it that you don't have all of these ingredients here, so for the outside of your energy bites, you can swap out with whatever you have at home. Alright, so let's get straight into this video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Alright, let's get right into it. Now guys, for this recipe you do need a food processor. I don't think a blender can do this job. Alright, we're going to go in now with the raisins. Pulse it in the food processor for a little. We're going to go in with our almond. Continue to pulse. Alright, so pretty much you want it to look something like this. So when you squeeze it, it kind of come together. I am not going to use any oil in this or any form of sweetener because as it ages, it starts to get too sweet. You get what I'm saying? So just the nuts and the raisins. And this is it. We're going to transfer it now in a bowl and proceed. We're going to create some nice little balls. And trust me, after working out, you need something to just pick you up, man. This is a healthy choice to have on hand with you. Full of fibers, very healthy. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And just work with whatever you have at home. I always tell you guys that. Work with whatever. You don't have to go to your way and get anything. If you have almond nuts, peanuts, any of those nuts you have, if you don't have anything right here, so just work with what you have at home. Alright, so you can just roll them in these top in here. This is so easy to make. And this is it, guys. We're going to put these in the fridge for approximately 3 hours so they can firm up. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.